Make sure to stay until the end. There is one thing that will make your car smell really bad and you will not even know about it. It's hidden and it will actually even make you sick. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a car and you want to make your car smell good. If your car smells bad, you want to know what you should do guys to actually eliminate those bad smells. We'll explain step by step what needs to be done and your car will smell like brand new again. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Before we start guys, let me tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we take them completely apart. We make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do all that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return guys, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Now if you guys need to buy any parts, tools for your car, any car, BMWs, Dodge, whatever it is, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tool supplies from and you can guys save a fortune. So let's explain how to make a car smell good. If your car smells bad, what to look for. Number one thing guys, okay, will be you need to go inside your car and you will need to vacuum your car. Make sure that you vacuum it really good. Make sure that you get all the bad food, stuff like that out of it. Try to get under seats and stuff like that as well. After you vacuum it guys, clean your dash. Okay, you have those dash protectants, clean your leather. And there is one more thing that you should do that most people will almost never check guys. We have a special video about 2 mistakes people make when they own a car. One of them is they never replace cabin air filter. This is the air filter for your cabin. This is what actually cleans the air from outside going towards inside, and that's for your own health guys. Most people do not know about that filter. You're supposed to replace it every 12,000 miles or 12 months, whichever comes first, and if you live in a dirty area, you need to even do it more often. Let me show you how nasty that thing is. It's supposed to be white like this one. It's all black. So that guys will actually even make you sick. It will give you sinus infection, it will give you allergies, it can make you feel really sick, it can give you sore throat, it can give you a headache. So replace the cabin air filters. That will be step number 2 guys. Vacuum clean your car, replace cabin air filter. What we'll be using after that, we'll be using Mequiar's air freshener. This is one of the best air fresheners and odor eliminators that we personally have used guys. Purchased with our own money. It wasn't sent to us, but it's a product that is amazing. So it says they have a few different smells, but you need to shake it really good. You will need to remove the source of the bad smells, okay? You will need to guys get the car outside the garage because the car will need to run. You're going to activate the trigger on the fan, turn the fan on the can, turn the fan for the AC and air conditioner on high. Click the recirculation button, we'll explain about that in a little bit. Activate the trigger, close the windows, get out of the car, let it run for 15 minutes. And then we'll explain what else you need to do guys after that. So let's show you now. So we got the car outside guys, it needs to be outside for the next step. Do not stay inside the garage because the car will need to run and you can die, okay, from carbon monoxide, dioxide, whatever they call that thing. So we're going to come inside, okay. This is the can right here. I'm going to go ahead and open here the cup holders, or I can leave it like that too. That'll work as well. And now what we are going to do, we'll start the car. We'll just start it, okay. We'll let it run. And once we do that guys, we're going to turn the fan. We have a double fan for dual climate control here, okay. Put it all the way on high. We want to turn the AC to make sure that the AC is on. You can see AC needs to stay on. You need to turn the recirculation button on some cars like that BMW may have automatic. Go with to manual to make sure it's recirculating guys, okay. Now we're going to go ahead, okay, close all the doors, close all the windows. We're going to shake that can, and for the next 15 minutes guys, okay, it says for the next 15 minutes we need to be outside, okay. We're going to go ahead, open it now, okay, open it. What do we need to do next? We're going to press the trigger, keep your eyes out of the way, your face as well. Press the trigger and just let it do the magic guys, okay, and get out of the car immediately. So we're out of the car, guys. We're out of the car, everything is recirculating. You can see everything's going there. Steam is flying everywhere, so it's going to go through the vents, hidden areas and things like that. So we will let it do that, and after 15 minutes we'll come back. Like Mequiar says, that's a good tip to go wash your vehicle on the outside now. So it's been, guys, about 15 minutes, maybe a little bit more, 17, 18 minutes. We'll go ahead, okay, unlock the car now, and because I was inside. Perfect. We're going to go ahead, open the doors, guys, so you can roll your windows down. I'm going to roll the windows down. Turn the ignition off, turn the ventilation system off, and now we're going to come out and we're going to let it sit for according to the instructions 10 to 15 minutes, and then we'll close the windows. The car smells amazing inside, guys. So that's how you guys make your car smell good again. If your car was smelling bad, okay, that would be probably one of the best ways to eliminate odors, to make your car smell really good, really nice. Now, if you want to check more about the products, where to buy cabin air filters, all that stuff, check out the link in the description of the video below. It will be under our videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful to any of you needing help with that. We're guys constantly working on new cars here at the garage. You can see how many we have lined up. So if you need help with something, just leave a comment below. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.